Very good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, how was your experience for the laser hair reduction treatment at Rujuga Aesthetica?
Good morning. So my experience was really good. I have been doing since more than 8 months, I guess. I come every month for my hair reduction at Rajua clinic, and it's wonderful. I definitely got results on my body. Frankly speaking, I had really hairy body, but now I'm very I don't get much hair, and the hair started coming like very thin, and no more dark and thick hair on my body, and I'm very happy with this hair reduction treatment. So guys, if you guys been suffering from this kind of problem with hairy body and like that, you definitely come and visit this clinic. It's amazing. Thank you, doctor.